Nutrition in plants. Food is essential for all the living organisms. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are components of food. These components of food are called nutrients and are necessary for our body. All living organisms require food. Plants can synthesize food for themselves, but animals, including humans, cannot. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. Thus, humans and animals are directly or indirectly depend on plants. Plants are the only organisms that can prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide, and minerals. The raw materials are present in their surroundings. The nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies, and provide the energy carry out life process. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. So there are two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic. Auto means self, trophos means nourishment. The mode of nutrition in which animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants is called heterotrophic. Heteros means others. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by roots and transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to combine. The solar energy is captured by the leaves and stored in the plants in the form of food. Thus, sun is the ultimate source of energy for all the living organisms. In the absence of photosynthesis, there will not be any food and life will be impossible on earth. The survival of almost all living organisms, directly or indirectly, depends upon the food made by plants. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll containing leaves, in the presence of sunlight, use carbon dioxide and water to synthesize carbohydrates and release oxygen. The presence of starch in leaves indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis. Starch is a carbohydrate. The leaves other than green also have chlorophyll. The large amount of red, brown and other pigment marks the green color, but photosynthesis takes place in these leaves also. Green patches called algae present in pond also have chlorophyll and prepare their food by photosynthesis. There are some plants which do not have chlorophyll, hence they cannot synthesize their own food. Such plants depend on the food produced by other plants. They use heterotrophic mode of nutrition. This is a plant called cuscata, umberville. It does not have chlorophyll. It takes ready-made food from the plant on which it is climbing. The plant on which it is climbing is called the host. Hence this plant is called parasite. This is a pitcher plant. This pitcher like or jug-like structure is the modified part of leaf. The apex of leaf converted into lid, which can open and close the mouth of the pitcher. When an insect lands in the pitcher, the lid closes and traps the insect. The insect is digested by the digestive juice secreted in the pitcher and its nutrients are absorbed. Such insect-eating plants are called as insectivorous plants. These organisms are called fungi. They absorb the nutrients from the breed. This mode of nutrition, in which organisms take in nutrients from dead and decaying matter, is called saprotrophic nutrition. Such organisms with saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs. Fungi also grow on pickles, leather, clothes, and other articles that are left in hot and humid weather for a long time. Some organisms live together and share both shelter and nutrients. This relationship is called symbiosis. For example, certain fungi live inside the roots of the plants. The plants provide nutrients to the fungus, and in return, the fungus provides water and certain nutrients.